The Xiaomi Solar Outdoor Camera BW400 Pro set features a 2.7-inch sensor, ensuring clear imaging in any environment. It has an f1.6 larger aperture for enhanced light sensitivity and hardware-level HDR, optimized for ambient light, providing brilliant images under any lighting conditions. With 4MP high-detail surveillance and 2.5K resolution, it delivers sharper, more detailed picture quality. The camera boasts a 132 wide FOV, eliminating blind spots, with a 113.3 horizontal and 58.7 vertical view. Its clear night vision is supported by high-power infrared lights and full-color LED lights, capturing clear images even in the dark. The 10,000 mAh battery provides uninterrupted online protection, offering up to 180 days of continuous operation. The built-in solar-powered panel converts sunlight into power for nighttime use, with a 20% conversion rate for efficient power storage. Smart power consumption is achieved through local filtering algorithms and low-power consumption architecture, ensuring efficient real-time monitoring. The camera features AI smart computing with multiple algorithm models, capable of 1.2 trillion calculations per second, recognizing humans, animals, vehicles, and packages. Real-time alerts and customizable detection areas provide immediate notifications on your smartphone. Cloud and local storage options are available, with a 3-month rolling cloud storage service via the Mi Home, Xiaomi Home app. The camera is weather-resistant with an IP66 waterproof rating, making it robust against varying environmental conditions. Ensure compliance with local data protection regulations when using this device.